With soft skin and golden flesh, peaches are not only a sweet gift of American summer, but also a symbol of freshness and abundance. Every year, thousands of tons of peaches are grown and harvested around the world, playing an important role in global agriculture and cuisine. But how can people grow, harvest, and process peaches most effectively? Join us to explore bustling peach farms in this video. Peach growing is one of the agricultural industries that is both rich in tradition and attractive in the United States. In 2021, California maintained its leading position with an output of up to 468,000 tons, accounting for nearly 75% of the country's total peach output, an impressive number that reflects the scale and outstanding efficiency of the peach growing industry in this state. However, it is not only California that is mentioned when talking about American peaches. States like Georgia and New Jersey, despite their more modest production, stand out for their exceptional quality and flavor. During the harvest season, peach gardens suddenly become bustling and brilliant. Thousands of ripe peaches hang from the branches like orange-pink gems among the lush green foliage. This is the time when skilled workers are hired to perform the artistic harvesting process. With skillful hands and patience, they gently pick each fruit one by one, keeping the skin and stem intact to avoid crushing the young fruits. On large-scale farms, specialized peach pickers are used to reach high branches, where ripe peaches are often hidden among dense foliage. Soft mechanical arms gently vibrate the tree trunk or gently pick up each fruit, helping to minimize bruising during the harvesting process, ensuring that each peach retains its fresh flavor. Once harvested, peaches need to be processed quickly to maintain their freshness and natural flavor. In modern packing facilities, typically in the state of Georgia, famous for its rich peach orchards, the processing process is carried out with strict control. First, the peaches are put into a washing system with clean water and disinfectant solution to remove dirt, insects, and impurities on the skin. Next, they are transferred onto an automatic conveyor belt where advanced sensors and scanners will check the size, color, and integrity of each fruit. After the classification process, qualified fruits are packed into trays or boxes with protective lining to minimize impact during transportation. Some will be labeled and distributed directly to supermarkets, farmers markets. For canned peach syrup, the process begins by washing the peaches to remove dirt and impurities from the surface. Next, the peaches are carefully peeled before halving and separating the seeds. peach pieces are then placed into boxes according to standard quantities. At the same time, sugar syrup is cooked from water and sugar in a certain ratio to create moderate sweetness and help preserve. When the syrup is ready, it is poured into the peach tin, evenly covering the fruit pieces inside. After closing the lid, the boxes will undergo heat treatment with steam and sterilization in hot water to kill bacteria and prolong storage time. Finally, the product is labeled, boxed, and shipped to the warehouse, ready for shipping to market. To produce juicy and sweet peaches, farmers must go through a meticulous care process. As spring dawns and temperatures begin to warm, they urgently protect the delicate shoots from pest attacks. Many farms prioritize the use of biological products and natural sprays to prevent pests in the first place, minimizing the use of chemicals. By the end of February and early March, the garden scene becomes spectacular when peach blossoms bloom simultaneously, wearing gentle pink and white colors like a vivid spring painting. However, not all flowers are kept to bear fruit. The farmer will carefully prune about 40% of the flowers on the tree. This intentional thinning helps concentrate nutrients on the remaining fruits, ensuring they grow big, round, beautiful, rich in flavor, and not deformed. The blooming season is also the time when thousands of bees fly to peach farms to collect nectar, which helps increase fruit productivity. About a month after pollination, the first signs of peach growth will appear. At this stage, farmers often remove excess fruit if the density is too high to avoid stress on the branches and promote uniform ripening of peaches. The development process of peaches happens quite quickly. After only about 100 days from flowering, peaches are ready to harvest. The journey of growing peaches has never been easy. It is a process that requires persistence, patience, and dedicated care from both people and nature. Thanks to that, when the peaches reach the recipient's hands, they still retain their charming aroma, natural sweetness, and fresh feeling, as if they were just picked from the branch. If you find this behind-the-scenes look at peach farming fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you ever visited a peach orchard or tasted a Georgia peach fresh off the tree? We'd love to hear your experiences. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Have you ever wondered how those crunchy macadamia nuts are grown and produced? Every year, thousands of tons of macadamia nuts are harvested and processed, becoming a key ingredient in countless dishes worldwide. The journey from lush green orchards to advanced processing facilities shapes their distinctive flavor and premium quality. Join us as we explore this fascinating process in the video below. The planting process begins with selecting healthy seedlings from the nursery, ensuring a well-developed root system. These seedlings receive special care for 6 to 12 months before being transferred to the main garden. When they reach the right height and hardiness, they are planted using specialized machinery, which helps reduce root damage and improve survival rates. Macadamia trees are usually spaced 2, 4, 0, 3, 2, 0 inches apart to create space for canopy expansion and optimal light absorption. After planting, the tree is properly watered to support growth, helping roots establish quickly and stabilize. Depending on weather and soil conditions, farmers use drip or sprinkler irrigation to maintain moisture without waterlogging the roots. Fertilization and spraying are essential for healthy macadamia growth and high yields. Organic fertilizers provide nutrients at each stage, while biological or microbial spraying prevents pests and ensures nut quality. Additionally, weed control is crucial as weeds reduce yield and attract pests. Farmers use manual weeding and mulch to naturally manage weeds, reduce herbicide use, and improve soil fertility. Besides, during the care process, farmers need to prune branches to help macadamia trees grow healthily and achieve high productivity. This helps the plant receive enough light, limiting pests and competing for nutrients. Weak, dead, or crowded branches will be removed to maintain a reasonable tree structure, creating favorable conditions for flowering and fruiting. Macadamia flowers usually bloom in late winter or early spring, when the weather is cool. They grow in long clusters, white or pale pink, and emit a light fragrance that attracts pollinating bees. After a few months, the flowers turn into fruit, containing nutritious macadamia nuts. Climate and soil conditions play an important role, helping plants flower in the right season and achieve high yields. Macadamia nuts develop in about 6 to 8 months after pollination. When young, the fruit has a hard green shell that gradually turns brown when ripe. The macadamia harvesting process has become much more efficient thanks to modern technology. In the past, farmers had to wait for the nuts to ripen and fall naturally before manually collecting them, a method that was both time-consuming and labor-intensive. Today, Specialized equipment such as tree shakers creates controlled vibrations, causing the nuts to drop faster and reducing dependence on natural factors. After that, nut sweepers and collectors function like giant vacuum cleaners, gathering the nuts while removing impurities like dry leaves and small branches. Thanks to these advancements, harvesting productivity has significantly increased, labor costs have decreased, and the quality of macadamia nuts has become more consistent, contributing to improved production efficiency and higher profits for farmers. After harvesting, macadamia nuts are transported to a modern processing facility and put into specialized silos. For whole macadamia nuts, the seeds are classified by size to meet customer requirements and quality tested at an industry standard laboratory. The modern machinery system continues to remove substandard seeds before packing them into 25 kg bags using automatic equipment, ensuring accurate weight. The product is then stored in warehouses, preparing for the export process. Before shipping, containers are carefully sealed to preserve quality for consumers. For shelled macadamia nuts, the processing process goes through many strict stages to ensure product quality. First, the seeds are put into a peeling system to remove the outer shell, helping to prevent mold. Then, they are sterilized to remove bacteria and impurities, ensuring they meet food safety standards. Next, the macadamia nuts are put into a hard shelling machine, using precise pressure to peel off the thick shell without damaging the kernel. They are then sorted by size, color, and quality, ensuring only qualified seeds continue the process. Next, the macadamia kernel undergoes a sterilization process to eliminate bacteria and prolong storage time. Finally, the product is packaged in specialized packaging, helping to maintain crispness and flavor before distributing to the market. One thing you may not know is that macadamia nuts have a high price, usually ranging from $4.2 USD/kg on the international market. The main reason is the long cultivation period. In addition, macadamia nuts have a hard shell that is difficult to separate, reducing the yield of kernels obtained after processing. Along with increasing global consumption demand, these factors make macadamia nuts one of the most expensive nuts in the world. The journey of macadamia nuts from farm to table is a complex process, combining farmers and modern technology. Thanks to advanced production processes, macadamia nuts are always of the highest quality before reaching consumers. What do you think about this process? Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting content about agriculture.